What is going on, guys? Kurt here for a special video today. Today is a special day because a few days ago we made it to 2,000 members of this community. This community is growing fast and it's really exciting. So today I'm going to do a special giveaway video. I was originally going to do this video for 1,000 subscribers, but to be honest, I kind of procrastinated on making that video. Make sure to stay till the end of this video so you don't miss anything so that you can get entered in this contest. So first off, what am I giving away? I'm giving away 20 coupons for completely free access to your choice of one of my guitar courses, which I usually sell for $75 each. I've got 4 courses currently out right now. I've got a total intro to guitar course. I have an intro to fingerpicking course. I have an intermediate level fingerpicking course, and I've got a reading music course. So if you win, you'll get to pick your choice of course, whichever one fits what you're interested in right now. So now the next part, how do you enter? I'm gonna make it nice and easy for you so that everyone can enter, and it's only gonna take you about 2 minutes. So make sure you listen to all the steps so you don't miss anything. First, give this video a thumbs up. Super easy, super simple. Next, leave a comment saying you enter. And then finally, check out the link in the description below and follow the simple instructions there to finish your entry. It should only take you about a minute to do, so enter, enter, enter. Thank you for helping me get this far, and I look forward to doing a lot more fun things as we grow this community together.